Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed.
Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sarah from Sarah's Lifestyle, and check this out. Listen, I just filmed a video. That's why I'm looking at myself right now. I have on these Amazon leggings, and I did a whole Lululemon haul, but at the end I showed a $19, we'll say 20 to round up, pair of leggings that I love from Amazon. So make sure that you guys check that out. It should be the video that was posted right before this. Yeah, so let's talk, you guys. If you guys are new, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to show you guys my scar reveal on my revision. I had dog tags from my breast lift on the sides, so I had that fixed, and I had upper belly lipo because, you guys, I didn't know that during the mommy makeover surgery, they don't do lipo up here due to blood supply. So I thought they did, but they didn't. So I had a revision done, and I don't even remember when I had it done. I think it's like 4 or 5 weeks now, but your girl still gets swollen. Matter of fact, I'm swollen right now. Can you guys see it? Super swollen. So yeah, just want to let you guys know that. If you guys are new and you guys haven't seen my whole journey, I have a whole entire playlist that documented my mommy makeover, okay? Like straight up everything, the good, the bads, the, oh, like this is what you should do, this is what you shouldn't, everything, okay? So make sure y'all watch it. I will have a card up above for that. But let me tell y'all what I had done, because I know I do this in every single video. I also have a plastic surgery group linked down below. You must be a female to join. And also, I do not accept couples that share a Facebook. So if you share with your husband, you will not be allowed inside of my group because he is a man. And I want this to be a comfortable, you know, environment for all the women that want to share pictures and stuff and not feel like a dude's looking at him. You guys catch it. And if you guys don't understand, then y'all don't have to you know, request. So it is what it is. But anyways, okay, so this is what I had done. I had a tummy tuck with muscle repair. So they sewed all this stuff because my son said, what abs, and it went out. So they never came back in. So I had this sewed up. I had the tummy tuck with lipo on the hips because your girl's curvy. It is what it is, and I love it. But I needed to be, you know, evened out a little bit. I had a breast lift with implant exchange. So I went from saline to silicone, and I also had chin lipo and arm lipo, okay? So with that being said, you can deal with some issues after your surgery. Not necessarily issues, but you know, you gotta get some stuff fixed. Sometimes it is what it is, okay? So my revision, I also documented that as well. I will start you guys off with day 1 right here with the revision. I had somebody ask where the befores. I never took any befores, but you can definitely see I am like not swollen as much here anymore. These are what my scars look like. So this is what my scar looks like. Obviously it is nowhere near healed yet. I'm actually about to start putting the scar cream on here. But yeah, you guys, look. And obviously I'm still swollen here, like real bad. It still feels numb and everything. Look at that. So if you guys know, the recovery is pretty easy. I just wanted to give you guys an update of what's going on. I know you guys can really see like my boobs have settled. It's been over a year since I had this surgery done. I had it done August of 2019. And it's definitely a process. If you guys are going through this surgery, I want you guys to know to just be patient with your results. Obviously if something's turning black on your skin and it's like, you might want to, you know, like, hey, this ain't right, take your ASS to the ER, do all that. But like, just be patient. If your boobs are super high at first, because they will be, my boobs were damn near touching my chin, and I loved it. No, I'm kidding. I knew they were gonna settle. But as you guys can tell, I went for a natural look. I had 650 cc's, and I don't want you guys to freak out over that. I say this in all my videos. I'm 5'10", and I'm a size 10 down here. I'm like a large extra. I got some big shoulders, okay? It is what it is. I'm like an athlete, and whop, okay? So don't take what I got as far as size is concerned and be like, oh, I want to get that. Because if you're 5'5" and you're like you know, tiny, this will look like what they say porn star boobs. Like, and you, if that's what you're going for, I mean, girl, do it. But if you're looking for a natural look, let your surgeon help you decide that, because I feel like we don't know what we're talking about. I don't care how much research we do on the sides of the boobs. The surgeon is gonna be the correct person to ask. Tell him, show him some wish pics, and tell him what you're going for. So I told Dr. Robbins, if you guys don't know, that's who I had my surgery with, Dr. Robbins in Nashville, Tennessee. I was like, look, I needed a lift because my nipples were like, girl, hey, and they were literally down here. I showed proof. My boobs were down to here. It was so sad. But anyways, they're up and happy now, honey, okay? But I told him, I said, look, I love to work out, and what I don't want some big boobs. I don't want that. I want them to look really, really natural. And I mean, they do. You wouldn't even know that I had something done if I didn't tell you guys. I could like literally just be walking around and nobody would ever know. Look at this. Nobody would know. Like on TikTok, who's gonna know? Nobody. But because I told you guys I'm being honest, y'all know. It's not a big deal. I don't really care. Like, okay? So if you guys are looking for a natural look, like I was, just tell your surgeon like what you're looking for. But this is 650 cc's in silicone, okay? And I got the gel silicone, non-textured. I don't know if you guys knew about the whole non-textured stuff, implant stuff. Just be careful. I don't even think they put those in anymore. But you guys, I got some new areolas, everything. Like, girl, my boobs are nice. I can't really show you guys the bottom over here, but did I show you guys this side? I did show you guys that side. So I'm gonna start putting the scar cream on there and just you know, doing what I do with that, making sure everything's good. My tummy tuck scar, I guess this is like kind of an all-around update. I get compliments on my tummy tuck scar all the time if I go to the doctors. You guys, look at these leggings. You guys need to watch my leggings haul. These are so cute. Look at that. 19 bucks, Amazon. I'll have them linked, okay? I'll have them linked. But yeah, I am super happy with my decision. And y'all, my surgery group is like, it may be at 1,000 members now. I don't know. It's close. I have so many like requests in there, but I can't request them because they're sharing with their spouses and blah, 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 you know, and they're not answering the questions. I need you to tell me that you're female and that you're here for surgery, you know, or that you're thinking about it. But that group is so awesome. Like, I pop in there every now and then, and like people just keep things going. I'm seeing before and afters and all that kind of stuff, and it's absolutely amazing. So if you guys are looking for a place to be comfortable and to, you know, basically like not be judged for getting your surgery, because I know that's like a huge thing, is people judging you for your decisions. We are all grown, okay? If you are paying for your surgery yourself, and you're not borrowing money from your mom or your dad, or you don't owe nobody money, it's nobody's business anyways. But me, I just don't care, and I'm trying to help some of you guys that want to make that decision. So I mean, it's a safe place for us to talk about things. It's a safe place for us to, hey, does this look normal? Even though we're not doctors, you know, one of us could have experienced that, and hey, what are you doing for this? What do you recommend? The girls are always in there talking, and I absolutely love it. So don't forget to join that video. The freaking revision was easy after 2 days. As you guys seen in the past, I did not go to sleep the whole entire time as far as like during surgery. So they just used local anesthesia on me. My battery's about to die. Go look at my whole entire experience and you guys will absolutely love it. I'm about to get on the Peloton right now, which reminds me, if any of you guys have a Peloton, go ahead and follow me. It's at Sarah's Wifestyle or the Pound Sarah's Wifestyle. I'll check you guys. It died. my battery is just disrespectful. But anyways, yeah, so I'm about to go ride. If you guys have a Peloton, make sure that you guys are following me on there. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things with my knee, and I'm going through oh, my cat is doing the most, a vitamin deficiency, so I'm trying to get energy and everything from that, you know, taking more vitamins. So as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you guys watch my surgery journey, and I'll see you guys either in my group or I'll see you guys next time in my videos. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications.
I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit